Welcome to Maya. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the foundations that you need to know to start using the software. In this video, I'm going to be using the Maya 2014. Though on the Autodesk website, you can actually download several different versions of the Maya software, depending on which version of the software that your computer supports. So make sure and check out the Autodesk requirements for the different versions of Maya. For the purposes of this class, it does not matter which version you are using because for all the traditional commands, the software is virtually identical. And so if you happen to be using versions 2012, 13, or 14, the screen will actually look virtually the same as exactly what you see here. Now, when you first load the software and load it up onto your computer, you're going to see these 1 minute startup movies. The older versions of the software may just say startup movies, and you'll see between 6 and 8 different movies listed. These are the first videos that are going to give you an introduction, basically an overview of the Maya software. Each of these tutorials are very short, such as the first one I have here is create and view objects. I recommend starting at one and then continuing all the way through the series of videos. After you've covered each of those videos, it's going to give you a good basic command of how to use that software. Once you've finished watching the videos, to close the startup movies, all you need to do is go to the close button in the right-hand corner of the window, click on close, and those will disappear. If at any time you want to bring those videos back, just go back to the Help menu and go down to where you can see here, it says 1 minute startup movies. Again, your version may just say startup movies. That will open those back up. Now, every time you open the software, these videos should pop up as long as you keep this check in that bottom left-hand corner. This will show every time you boot up the software. This is the first step I recommend you start on to get used to using the Maya 2014 or one of the earlier versions of the software.